Hello, I am Amanda, assistant at Fred & Sons. Tired of a chaotic yard mess? Disorganized outdoor spaces drain your home's appeal and compromise safety. At Fred & Sons, our expert team offers comprehensive services including trash removal, yard waste collection, tree services and removal, even professional demolition. Enjoy enhanced curb appeal, safer surroundings, and a healthier environment. Don't let disorder hold you back any longer. Ready to revitalize your outdoor space? Contact Fred & Sons Hauling and Tree Removal Services today and experience the transformative power of expert care. Transform your yard today with trust, expertise, and lasting quality that elevates every moment now. Call 317-626-5973.